Oppo has finally launched its new Reno series phone in China called Oppo Reno 14 Pro, with quiet, cool-looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo Reno 14 Pro features a tall 6.83-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support, and on the top it is protected by crystal shield glass. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8450 chipset, paired with Mali G720MC7 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo Reno 14 Pro sports a triple camera setup on the rear, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 50-megapixel telephoto lens, with 3.5x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with the another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 116-degree field of view. For selfies it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 6200 mAh battery, with 80 watts super flash charging support, plus 50 watts wireless flash charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Color OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.35 by 76.98 by 7.58 millimeters, and it weighs around 201 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo Reno 14 Pro has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Reef Black, Calla Lily Purple, and Mermaid White color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from May 23rd. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno 14 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.